Have you ever felt stuck in a loop of bad days? Like no matter how hard you try, कुछ भी ठीक नहीं हो रहा. Nothing is going your way. One after another, कुछ circumstances ऐसे ही हो रहे, which is just not going your way. And what if I told you that you can change your entire life by just changing the frequency you are tuned into? Amazing, right? So today we are going to dive into the chapter 3 from this book, The Power, written by Rhonda Byrne. Chapter 3 is all about feeling frequency. And stay till the end because I'll be sharing few tricks that can actually help you shift your energy instantly. See what's written here? A change of feeling is a change of destiny. See, your feelings are the frequency, and what are your frequencies is what you attract. So if your frequency is high, it is of happiness, then you're gonna attract more of it. And if your frequency is low, of more of negativity, jealousy, ego, then you're gonna attract that more. So it depends on you where your frequency is, where your energy is, and that's what will be reflected in your outer world. And the big lesson is, you have the power to change your frequency at any moment. You can shift your energy if you want to. So let's understand how frequency works. Okay? Imagine you are tuning into radio station, and if you want to listen to happy music, I'm sure you won't tune into sad station, right? Similarly, if you want happiness in your life, if you want success in your life, if you want love in your life, why to bring emotions that bring negative energy? Start having frequency, energy which attracts more of it, right? So it goes the same for life also. You need to have the same feelings first, then only you're gonna attract such feelings in your outer world, right? So आपको क्या समझना है कि आपको जैसा आपका लाइफ चाहिए वैसे ही फीलिंग्स को लेके आओ, वैसा ही एनर्जी शिफ्ट करो, वैसी ही फ्रीक्वेंसीज में आप रहो. Then only universe will match your energy and give you such circumstances, help you meet such people who will bring happiness in your life. So basically your emotions is like a magnet. They pull in experiences that match your energy. तो अगर आप सैड हो तो वैसी ही एनर्जी मैच होगी और वैसे ही सर्कमस्टांसेस आप फेस करोगे. पर अगर आप हैप्पी हो, आप अगर शिफ्ट कर पा रहे हो अपने एनर्जी को थ्रू मेडिटेशन, थ्रू माइंडफुलनेस, थ्रू वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स योर हीलिंग जर्नी, then your energy will match and you're gonna get what you actually desire for. So let's understand with a real life example, okay? So let's take two people who are going to give the job interview. The first person is Arjun, who wakes up confident, who wakes up excited and energetic. He actually radiates confidence when he enters the interview room. And guess what? He gets selected, he gets hired because he was actually radiating confidence. He was sure about his selection for the job interview, okay? And then meet Rohan, who wakes up nervous, who wakes up with low energy. He feels that he is not worthy enough. He will not be able to clear his interview. He will not be able to answer it. And when he entered the interview room, he looked very, very low in confidence. And guess what? He was not selected because he actually felt that he is not good enough. What was the difference between the two? The feeling frequency. When they caught up, the way they behaved, the way they radiated that energy was the difference. तो आपको जैसा लाइफ चाहिए वैसे एनर्जी को आपको रिफ्लेक्ट करना है आउटर वर्ल्ड में, शिफ्ट करना है आउटर वर्ल्ड. So the next question is, how to tune into right energy, right? So the first thing is, understand frequency, understand what you are going through. If you're feeling sad, then you need to do things that makes you happy. Like you can listen to music, you can do yoga, you can do workout, you can do anything that actually lifts up your energy that you like doing. So first you need to identify your frequency, right? Then उसको shift करना है. If you're feeling negative, shift your energy. जैसे कुछ भी कर सकते हो जो आपको अच्छा लगता है करना. Meet your friends, eat good food, eat clean food, you can go for workout, you can listen to good music, you can watch good movie, जो भी आपके energy को shift कर सके. And you need to act as if it has got real, like your dream life you are living. वैसे ही आपको feel करना है, imagine करना है, experience करना है. Then you'll see how universe shows you the opportunities, lets you meet people who gonna help you to live your dream life. Remember, you can change your frequency instantly. Just change the radio station. So now let's practice. Comment below. One thing that instantly lifts your mood. Okay, let's create a list of feel good boosters, right? It will help us whenever we are low in energy. तो list देख लेना, उसमें से जो चीज भी अच्छा लगता है करना वो कर लेना और अपना frequency को you can change it right away instantly, right? So if you found this video helpful, do share it with your friends, like and subscribe to my channel The Life Baker, and keep manifesting, keep shifting your energy to achieve all that you desire and deserve. Thank you so much.